Go live. All right, there we go. Now we're live, right? Are we live? All right, let me. Yes, we are live. Cool. Okay, now I can share. All right, so let's see here. Not doing anything yet. Let me move that over. All right. Good morning. Let me know what you want me to look at. I'm gonna take a long. I'm gonna take a long here. So I'm taking longs here, and I'm down a little bit. I'm in five micros trading light because it's Friday. Um, but I'll probably sell right there. Taking little profits. This is a live account. I'm not trying to go, YOLO or do anything crazy. This trade's working out. It's probably gonna come back up and test the highs really as soon as we get over VWAP. I mean, this is looking like it's gonna go over. 5 minutes gone over on the ES. Um, oh wow, that went down quickly. Hmm. Oh no. This could be bearish, like that, and then break. Hmm. But I'm still, um, yeah, it doesn't, keeps rejecting the VWAP. Right there would be nice to, right? Could go all the way down to the 54. Hmm. Do you want me to look at any stocks? Yeah, this looks, yeah, it's like, it's so close on the five. Down, up. I mean, right here doesn't have any wick, right? So it could retest this area here, right? Um, there's the 5, it's above it. Hmm, the 10, the 15. Hmm, it's right at that 600 level. It's a psychological level. Tesla longs expiring next week. Bought the dip. What strike? Need to know the strike price. All right, so Tesla. Yeah, this is looking bearish, right? Mm, so Tesla, I'll look at. Tell me the strike. I like Tesla. I mean, I called this out in my chat at like 27, like right here-ish. I saw this pump and I liked it. So, I mean, I like that. I mean, if the market's weak and this is going higher, if the market's going higher, this is going even higher. I mean, this is down, down. If you bought anything like 24, 25, you're great. Previous week high, previous day high. I mean, yeah, I did that. I think I was going over it yesterday, so it broke above it. Now from bearish, this is looking bullish. This went high. This will probably consolidate. What Tesla's gonna do is probably go like this and just bull flag. As long as it's above the VWAP, it'll probably bull flag, and then, I mean, yeah, if this bull flags, it could test this. It could go to 30s very quickly. Oh, 45. Oh. 45. I mean, it's not impossible. I mean, let me look here if it's like, I mean, this is what it's looking like. So if I'm drawing, where can I draw? Let me see. Where's the thing to draw? Let's see. That's not it. That's not it. It's not it. Not it. Here it is. Brush. All right. So here it's a low. This is a lower low. Um, but now it's basically forming. I mean, if you took a 5 minute, bring it back, it looks like a inverse head and shoulders. So if I were to draw that, and then from the bottom to the top, I just pull this up. I don't know about 45, but I would say maybe 40, 41. It could even go to 42 and gap fill this. Um, if it does keep going that way with momentum, I would probably take profits. Right here is where all the sellers are at this 42 level. If it gets above the 44 level, then we could see it go to probably 450. But I would say right now it looks good for a trade up to the 440s. So 440s look good as of now. I mean, the market, can change anything. So I'm gonna get back in my MNQ. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Okay. So, um, so I would say Tesla inverse head and shoulders could see what do we say if it's at 4, right? 440s. Could see 440s and possible continuation to 444 and 450. So yeah. Yeah. Tesla looks very bullish. I mean, it looks bullish to me, but it could do anything. Oh, there it went, it hit that. So it did take this out, took that out. Maybe I should have gotten the short. Nvidia is going down. This is moving down. Oh, this is moving up. Hmm, I like this. Yeah, I think it's fine. I don't think this is going up much higher. If it does, I'd be surprised on the VIX, but hmm, yeah, now I'd probably go long now that it took that out. Let's see. Hmm, now it's over. ES, kind of the same predicament, just crossed over, but that's lower. I'm gonna go buy more contracts. So I'm gonna buy 2 more contracts. These are minis. It's too low. Let's see, 1 hour. Hmm. The Fed is on track for more rate cuts despite sticky inflation. Inflation may not be reversing, but it's not reaccelerating. All right. All right. Any others? Other ones? I think this is going to push back up for a retest up to here. I mean, yeah, I think it's going to, I mean, it's going to at least test these. It's the hour. This is kind of holding this level, right? And then this is, I mean, this is very wiki. 1, 2, 3. So, Let's see. Yeah, it's pushing back up. It's a 1 minute pushing back. It's not crossing yet. Same. All right, 2 minutes into this. Hmm. That just, I was like, this is an hour. Okay. Hmm. So I'm looking at a volume accumulation. It's showing me about negative 30 million. Hmm. 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 All right. Short time stamps. Uh, what stock, what charts do you want to see? All right. All right. Uh, QQQ, I think it does want to go back. I mean, I'm down on these, but I mean, this bear flag doesn't have much follow through. That's the thing. Like, it's not. Hmm. So what I look at, this is the Q chart. So what I do is I look at 15 minute, 15-minute range. This program maps it for me. So it says opening range high, which is the high of the 15, the low, opening range low. Now here, what's concerning here is VWAP's flattening out. It's at the low. I mean, it's right there at the opening range low. That puts around VWAP seem to be working, to be honest. I mean, VWAP on the 15 minute, it drops. So you had basically 30 minutes to get out. Then it pumped. You had 30 minutes to get out. Could pump again, actually. That seems to be the pattern, right? 30-minute drop, pumps for 15, 30 minutes it drops, pumps for 15, 30 minutes it drops, pumps. So I mean, I think it's gonna pump. That seems to be the thing. But George, keep in mind it's a short until it's not. Remember that. It's a short until it's not. Meaning that if this comes back, let's say on the 15, so we got 7 minutes, it could pump up again, which that's a piercing candle, really. Then that's a bearish engulfing inverse hammer, bullish engulfing, bear, bear. This looks like an indecision, um, but it could do anything. When did you want to buy puts for what strike and what expiration? Zero DTE, like expiring today, is what you wanted to buy, George? Is that what you wanted? What strike and expiration? I hope that helps. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, I think, see, this isn't doing anything though. If anything, this is building out the bear flag. I mean, I think this is going to break below here. Seems to be holding for now, but just set an alert here. I don't see anywhere it's going to target. These round bottoms look good though. I think this is going down. VIX, I mean, VIX is going down. 0 to T, I don't want to strike. Oh, the alert I put, that was on the VIX. So VIX alert at 1625. Because the reason I did that is if I look at the VIX, this bullish candle is a round bottom, no wick, meaning that buyers came in, flushed, they probably set like buys. So as soon as it hit there, it just started buying. There's no wick, there's no selling at all. So usually what will happen with those type of candles, especially on a short time frame, is that it'll retrace back to that area. Now if it flushes down further, it'll probably go lower. I mean, it could go lower. I mean, the wick's showing it to be down here, so 16. If it goes below 16, it's going, I mean, everything else going higher. Um, this one just closed. So if we look at a 15, I don't know. It's looking like it's flushing to me, but it could do anything. You know, if this were the inverse, like let's say this was bearish and this didn't have the wick and this was just all a candle, I would be looking for it to go up. What I don't like though for my long thesis is they've been just most of the day been down here. So I made the range. We've never closed above the range on a 15. Went, tried, and just flushed. And then really it's been in this range. It's been in this range. I put it as white, so I'm not confused if it's bearish or bullish. It's just a range. So the Q is basically 594. I like this level here, and I put this in my other chat. If you guys are paying attention to the chat, this level it's been holding all day. So if it did, let's just say on the Treasure's 15, if this did hold, then it's probably going lower. I mean, we can go down to the 90 area on the Qs. So if you're going to be short, I would take profits at the 90 areas. I mean, maybe 589s, but that's just what I would think because this, well, those are all pivot points, but I should delete that now. Oh, there you go. Hmm. Yeah, so if we look, I mean, the range though, on a 15-minute range, it's been holding more above it. The low, the high, let's look at a 30. Yeah, it's been holding above, more above this range, but I don't like that the opening range low, it's not, it needs to go above. We have, what, a minute? Or, it doesn't matter, but we're just doing like an analysis. I'm not relying on that, but it's pushing. Yeah, I'm more bullish, I think, just because VIX hasn't been able to sustain these highs. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So we have, that's another thing I'm looking at. If you pull up a 4-hour chart, it'll show you a little bit more. Um, so I use this smart money concepts, but I don't really use it. The things I would recommend that are easy to use, so I could take all this shit off, hide. I use volume. Um, it's not a fraud, basically just shows dojis. So dojis are indecisions. So it's if it goes above the doji, like on a 5 minute and closes above it, then it's going to be bullish. If it's on a doji on the lower and goes below it and holds it and closes, it's probably going to go lower. Um, Pivots are always good. VWAP. Those three indicators I definitely would recommend because, I mean, if you look at the chart, it's going to show it like an easier path. So the pivot areas, and you see it almost hit that pivot. If you had like a price target and it came, what, it came 6 cents within that, you should be taking profit, right? All right. Um, can you guys please can you like the thing? If you find any value in this, like it. All right, give me 1 second. All right. Does that answer? I'll call you. I'll be right back. I'm gonna just put you guys on mute.